Hi, I'm Anne, the Bubbly Grandma. Keep watching to see how I make these cute Mother's Day cupcakes and my morphin Mica. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, pop the subscribe button and leave me a comment down below. Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making cupcakes. I've just bought some new cupcake cases. They're these ones, some nice fluted ones. I got them from Amazon and I'll post them in a link down in the description box. Okay, so I have all my oils in here for both the base and the frosting. So I'm going to pour the lye down the stick blender. Both are at room temperature, so let's get blended. I'm going to mix till just past emulsion, and then I'm going to separate out the Okay, that's better. Okay, I'm going to separate out the batter. I'll set that off to one side. Now, okay, make the base of these cupcakes blue. So I've got some Pacific Blue Mica powder from Crafter's Choice. The colorant and the fragrance. The fragrance I'm adding today is Love Spell. A little bit of titanium dioxide into this. If I can open it. Smells really good. Okay, now I'm hoping this is going to do about 10, but let's see. Okay, so that did 12. I'm going to frost it. out my container. Okay, so got those poured. Where's mine? I'm gonna let those set up and I'll be back when the frosting's done. Right, bye. Hi, welcome back. My frosting's now set up. So let's see. Put a blob in the middle. This helps to support the frosting once it's done. Still not sure about this green. It's supposed to be a really pretty blue. So we'll just wait to see once it's cured how it turns out. It's not my only disaster today. I tried to do some lemon slices in the oven and that just didn't work at all. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do about that, so that idea didn't work out. These are turning out really pretty and the smell is amazing. It's Love Spell, so it's a Victoria's Secret dupe, and it's really citrusy. Really surprised. I was expecting something super sweet and it just didn't turn out that way. I'm not going to have enough to finish the piping on these. So let's just do this one. May have enough to do one more. To readjust my amounts when I do it. Almost there. Okay, so for the top of these I have some little kiss embeds. Little kisses. They're just going to go on top. We'll see. Whoop, that one's alive, and some leaves that I've done. These are all cold process. Should have more than enough of these to across them. I'm still not sure about these chatty videos. It seems the video goes on and I really run out of things to say. I have an event in a couple of weeks, so these ones are going to be for April's, we're in April, May's These are going to be May's release. So my event is the first weekend of May. So this may be out that weekend. So I may have just lied to you. So we'll see how it goes. Let's just add some glitter. This is fine iridescent glitter. From Bubbly. Better way to do this. Okay. A little bit more to this one. And we'll do a close-up. So here's a close-up. That glitter is really pretty and the piping is awesome. The colours in it. Okay. We'll see you in 18 to 24 hours to unmould them. Super pleased on how these cupcakes turned out. I think the piping turned out absolutely fantastic. Thank you again so much for watching. Hit the subscribe, drop me a comment, hit a like. Love you all. See you all later. Love and bubbles. Bye.